Google Pixel Fold supports large 5.8-inch front display that's wide and comfortable smartphone for typing. The foldable phone market this year continues to heat up with innovative designs, improved durability, and enhanced functionality. Top brands like Samsung, Huawei, and Oppo are already pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Consumers are spoiled for choice when it comes to selecting the best foldable phone. Top foldable phones of 2024. Here we've listed our top recommendations for the best foldable phones of August 2024, highlighting the standout features, specs, and benefits of each device. OnePlus Open. At the top in foldable phones, the OnePlus Open will impress users with the largest 7.8-inch main screen, ideal for productive multitasking. Its performance is unparalleled, with RAM and long-lasting battery life for efficient multitasking. More than that, with open canvas multitasking on this device, several apps can be opened simultaneously in windows of any size for maximum productivity and flexibility. The 50MP primary camera captures quality photos and videos, offering better low-light performance. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a 6.2-inch cover display that could work well for most of those quick-on-the-go interactions. A thinner and lighter design enhances its portability and comfort without having to compromise on durability. The foldable design is further pushed by the features of Galaxy AI artificial intelligence, such as Note Assist and Sketch-to-Image. It does offer quality photography with the new 50MP primary camera. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The Motorola Razr 2024 will feature an updated 3.4-inch outer display, larger than the predecessor, which finally supports full app usage and convenient interactions. The 50MP primary camera improved low-light performance, and additions like 2x optical zoom and high-quality photo captures are possible. It has more widgets, so users can piece a few together for a personalized home screen. Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold has a large 5.8-inch front display that's wide and comfortable, excellent for typing. Then there's the super smooth hinge that folds out of the way so easily and naturally. There's also a stellar camera system on board, complete with a 48MP primary sensor, 5x telephoto zooming, and excellent performance in low light, along with intuitive software for seamless multitasking and split-screen capabilities. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a large and immersive 6.7-inch main screen. The device features a high-quality 50MP primary camera that delivers great image performance in low light, portrait assist, and other capabilities. It also features a host of advanced Galaxy AI features to further enhance the user's experience, including interpreter and dual-screen functionality.